what are the different installation modes we have in Hadoop? The standalone, pseudo distribution mode, and fully distribution mode. Okay, and okay, we started with the Linux flavors also because Hadoop will be installed on Linux machines only. Okay, so that's the reason. Okay, we need to understand what is Linux and how it works and all. Okay, so we understand what is Linux. Okay, so Linux is kind of a OS, okay, which is I mean it's a kind of a kid from Unix actually. Okay, so in Linux, okay, we have two kind of Linuxes. We have RPM based Linux and Debian based Linux. Again, okay, for each RPM Debian based Linux, we have CLI and GUI modes actually. Okay, and so normally in real time, most of the people will use RPM based Linux. Okay, so not Debian based Linux. Yes, there are people who use even Debian based Linux also, but majorly they use RPM based Linux. Okay, and one more thing. In RPM based Linux also there are different companies who are providing this RPM based Linux. Okay, one of the most commonly known company is that Red Hat and CentOS. Okay, so Red Hat and CentOS, they are from the same company. They are kind of subsidiaries actually. Okay, like okay, Kia and Hyundai. Okay, they both are like that. Okay, it's almost same. Okay, so but most of the clusters in the world are built on Red Hat or CentOS as of today. Okay, so if you want to practice Hadoop on Red Hat, okay, so you may request some subscription, so which is not possible to go for subscription for every VM. So what we are doing, okay, we are practicing on CentOS. Okay, so now what we need actually. So now, okay, so we thought that okay, so where is our explanation sheet? Now, what is the idea? So I need to build a Hadoop cluster now. Okay, so in a fully distribution mode. Okay, this is our target, guys. This is our target. What is the target here? I want total 6 machines. Okay, so what that 6 in that 6 machines in one machine I will use it like name node. 3 machines I will use it like data nodes. One machine I will use it like second name node. One machine I will use it like a edge node. Okay, so now, but I have only one laptop. Okay, so here, okay, what is the idea? Idea is to build virtual machines on top of our laptop itself. Okay, so how can I build a virtual machines on top of my laptop itself? Okay, so there is a software here. Okay, there is a software here. What is the software here? Okay, so okay, so I will do one thing. Okay, so guys, okay, whoever has registered with me, so I hope you all might have got access to Google Drive, correct? Yes or no? Did you get a link from my side? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so you might have got a mail from VNR trainings. Okay, so this is the share drive. Okay, inside this share drive, if you see, okay, inside this share drive, if you see, okay, so there are okay two directories here. Okay, one is stuff1 at Hadoop administration stuff1, Hadoop administration stuff2. Okay, so let us start our practicals with Hadoop admin. Okay, so with Hadoop administration stuff1. Okay, if you go inside Hadoop administration stuff1, you have something called Hadoop installations new. Okay, so just click on this one. Okay, if you click on this one, okay, so here there are multiple installation files. There are multiple installations files. Okay, so let me upload the latest one. Okay, so here, so you have multiple installation documents actually. Okay, so you have to download the first document. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, setting up your lab. Okay, setting up your lab. This is the first document which you need to download, guys. Understand? Okay, which you need to download. Okay, so now, okay, I already have this one in my system. So what I will do now? What I will do? Okay, so I'll open this setting up your lab by Venkat. This is the file. Okay, first file I'll open. Okay. So this is the installation document where you have clear instructions. Okay? Clear instructions like how to set up your lab. Okay. So first of all, what we need. Okay. I need 6 servers. Okay. So here, so server 1. Okay. So server 2, server 3. Like this. Okay. I need total 6 servers. Okay. So what is the server guess normally? What is the server?
Set of devices.
Okay, so server means okay.
Missions provided with the high
hardware
rank.
machine. Okay, kind of a machine. Is it okay? Huh? So now the question is that okay, okay? So suppose okay, this is my requirement. Okay, so who will supply the servers for me? I need 6 servers. Okay, I want to buy 6 servers now. Okay, who will provide these 6 servers for me? Who will sell these servers? So normally, okay, what you will do? So you will go to, so here normal process actually, how this process will work actually. Okay. So the first step, what you will do? Okay. So first, okay, you will get the cluster planning actually. Cluster planning. Okay. So as per the cluster planning, we understood that okay, we need to build a cluster with the help of 1 name node, 3 data nodes, and 1 secondary name node, 1 edge node. Okay. So who has given this plan to me? Okay, Hadoop Architect has given this plan to me. Okay, cluster planning. Okay, so after that, what? Okay, so first, okay, so manager will okay, go to Architect. Okay, so he will complete the Architect will do the cluster planning. Okay, so this is the first step actually. You will have a project manager. So okay, he will contact Architect. Okay, Architect will do the cluster planning. Okay, so now manager has the cluster planning. Manager will do it as a next step. Okay, what manager will do? Manager will contact. Okay, will manager go to market and buy the servers? No, right? Manager will not go to market. Okay, and buy the servers and all. Okay, so what manager will do? So manager will okay take this request of 6 servers and forward it to procurement. What is this procurement team, guys? Okay, if you want to buy something in your company, okay, will you go and buy directly? Or there is a team, okay, purchase team actually. Okay, so what manager will do? So based on the cluster planning, he knows that okay, you need 6 servers, so he will contact procurement team. Okay, so what procurement team will do now? Procurement team will contact okay the vendors. Who is vendor here? Who will supply the servers? Okay, we have Dell, HP, okay, Cisco, okay, IBM. Okay. So these are the different companies who will provide who will sell the servers in the market. So what procurement team will do? So procurement team will contact the vendors and ask, hey, okay, so we want a total 6 servers. Okay, so mostly you will contact all these people, okay, and ask, okay, we want total 6 servers. Can you provide 6 servers to us? Okay, or can you provide the billing? Okay, what is the cost estimation? Okay, so now each vendor will provide the estimation. Okay, like okay, so some vendor will say that okay, hey, you're asking for 6 servers. Okay, we'll give you for each server. We'll give you for 3 lakhs. Okay, so maybe HP is telling that we'll give you for 2.8 lakhs only. So Cisco is telling that okay, we will give for 3.5 lakhs. Okay, we have more with more warranty and all. Okay, so like that, okay, everybody will give their quotation actually, their price. Okay, now procurement team will decide okay, out of all these quotations, okay, which quotation is good for money, okay, and good for value. I mean, value for money, value for the product also. Okay. Now procurement team will confirm the vendor. Okay, so analyze the vendor and raise the purchase order. Okay, so raise the order. Let's say they selected Dell. Out of these four companies, okay, Dell has given a very good price. Okay, at the same time, okay, they have given very good what to say, very good price and a very good support also. Okay, so now finally procurement team selected Dell as the vendor for the 6 servers. Now what Dell will do now? Dell will deliver the servers to our company. Okay, so let's say this is the company XYZ company. XYZ company. So Dell will deliver the servers to XYZ company. Will you agree with me, guys? Till now, any questions? Now the servers are ready. Okay. Now all the 6 servers are ready. Okay. You understood the process here. So XYZ company. So you have a manager. Okay. Who want to build a Hadoop cluster. So what he will do? He will go to architect and okay, he will now and present all his requirements. Based on the requirements from manager, okay, architect will give the cluster planning. Okay. So based on the cluster planning, okay, what manager will do? Manager will contact procurement team. What procurement team will do? Procurement team will contact different vendors and ask, okay, hey, we want 6 servers. Can you give me the best price? Okay, quotation with best price and support. Okay, so let's say everybody has given their price and support model. Finally, procurement team understood that okay, Dell is giving the best price and the best support also. Okay, so finally there is the purchase order to Dell. Okay, now Dell has delivered the servers to XYZ company. Okay, so now the servers are with XYZ company. Okay, so now when I say XYZ company, who will receive these servers? Guys, when Dell is delivering these servers, who will receive these servers? Huh?
Procurement. IT
Sorry?
team.
Sorry?
IT team.
IT
team,
team.
sir.
IT team. Okay. So normally, when there is a delivery of servers, so you might have seen data center, right? Have you ever seen a data center, guys? You ever seen this kind of rooms in your office? Huh? Have you ever seen this kind of rooms in your office?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what are these actually? This is a server room they call, correct? And they will put a board also, entry restricted. Okay, this is a server room. Yes or no? Okay. So there will be some employees, okay, who will be working inside this server room. Okay, inside this data center. Okay, so Dell will hand over all the servers to XYZ company. Where is the XYZ company? So data center people. Dell is handing over the servers to data center team. Okay, so now data center team has all these 6 servers with them. So no. So this is the data center team. Okay. So now they have 6 servers. So what they will do now? So they are all in box packing actually, or packing box actually. Okay. So what data center team will do? So data center team. When I say data center team, okay. So mostly these are the people from network team. Okay. So these people will unbox each server, okay, and put it into racks and connect the cables. Okay, so the first team who will be involved in this is network team. Okay. What is the work of network team? Okay, unbox the product, unbox the servers. Okay, connect. Okay. So place them into racks. Okay. Connect them with connect them into LAN. Okay, so these are the people who will unbox the servers and place them into racks okay, and connect them into LAN, connect them into network, okay. So the last step what they will do is, okay, set static IP address. So this is the work network team will do. So it's okay. First, okay, whenever there are new servers delivered, all these servers will be given to data center team. Inside data center team, okay, there will be network people. Okay. So data center team, network people actually. So okay. So network people are network team actually here. Okay. So network team will unbox the servers, place them into racks and connect them into LAN and set the static IP address. Okay. Once this work is done, okay. So now, okay. So when they put all these things into racks and all, okay. So do you still think that, okay, these are installed with OS and all? Okay, no OS is installed at this moment. No OS is installed at this moment. Okay. So in all these 6 servers, no OS is installed at this moment. Okay. What network will do now? So network team has completed his work. Then okay, they will inform, okay, Linux admin team. Okay. So Linux admin team are, so in some companies, okay, we call it as a build team also. Linux admin team or build team. Okay. So they'll hand over all these servers to build Linux admin team. Okay. So now Linux admin team, okay, has all the 6 servers with them. Okay. What Linux admin team will do? Okay. So install Linux OS in each server. They'll install Linux OS in each server. Okay. Then okay, install. Okay. So because okay, all these servers okay, we are going to use to install Hadoop, correct? Okay. So install Hadoop prerequisites. What do you mean Hadoop prerequisites? Okay. So to run Hadoop, okay, there may be some prerequisites. So one of the prerequisites is Java. Okay. So we want to install Java in each, okay, in all the machines. Okay, we want to install OS in all the machines. We want to install okay some softwares like okay HTTPD, RK, so Telnet. Okay, so there are some many softwares case. Okay, so many softwares. I'll give the list of those softwares. Okay, so install Hadoop prerequisites. Okay, so when I say prerequisites, these are the required softwares to run Hadoop smoothly, or to these are the supporting softwares to run Hadoop smoothly. Okay, so this is what okay work will be done by Linux admin team or build team. Okay, so then all these servers will be handed over to database team. So now, okay, what database team will do now? Database team will do. Okay. So now, okay, if you want to install Hadoop, okay, so at times what Hadoop will do, Hadoop will store some of the metadata into RDBMS. Okay, so going forward, you will understand what is that metadata and all. Okay, so as of now, we know only one metadata, FS image. Okay, centralized file allocation table. Okay, but okay, apart from that, some of the information will be stored in the database team. Okay, so in the database actually. So to set up the databases, okay, so they will hand over. Okay, build team will hand over all these servers to database team. Okay, so now database team knows, okay, will it install okay, database in all the machines or one or few machines? Mostly one or two machines. Okay, mostly install and configure. Okay, so normally, so they will not install okay, database in each and every machine. They'll install only particular machines. Okay, so first network team, then okay Linux admin team, then database team. Okay, so once database also installed, so now database team will hand over all these servers to Hadoop admin team. Understood this? Okay. So now this database team will hand over all these servers to Hadoop admin team. Okay. So when it comes to Hadoop admin team, what and all there here. So these are already done by this these people actually. Okay. So here, so this is the work will be done, new work. Okay, and this is the new work these people will do. Okay, so and okay, what Hadoop admin team will do? Hadoop admin. Okay, so install Hadoop. Understood? Okay. This is the work which will be done by here. Okay, what Linux admin team is doing. Okay, so here when it is silent network admin team also, what I will do. Okay, so these people okay will install. Okay, we'll do the network admin will do this one, unpacking, place them into rack, connect them into LAN, and set the static IP. Okay, and Linux admin team will do these two things. Okay, database admin will do these things. Okay, Hadoop admin will do these things. Okay, so what Hadoop admin will do? Hadoop admin will install and configure Hadoop on these servers. Okay, so it means okay, so after doing this one only, your Hadoop cluster is ready. Till that time, your Hadoop cluster is still in build stage. Understand, guys? Okay. See here. Okay, if you are seeing okay Hadoop cluster, it doesn't mean that it will be done by single person. Okay, so there are multiple teams involved in the Hadoop cluster setup. Okay, so first okay, you have management, okay, procurement team, okay, the network admin team, Linux admin team, okay, database admin team, Hadoop admin team. Okay, so all these people together we call as a Hadoop team. When I say Hadoop team, okay, do you have only Hadoop admins or okay, so you have database admins, you have Linux admins and network admins also. You have different admins, guys. It is not only Hadoop admins. Okay, all this together okay, we call as a all this together okay, we call as a Hadoop team. Here, guys, what is Hadoop team? Let's say Hadoop team. All these together is called as a Hadoop team. Okay. So don't think that when I say Hadoop team, okay, we have only Hadoop people. Okay, no, that's wrong. Okay, when I say Hadoop team, you will have a set of network admins, a set of Linux admins, a set of database admins, a set of Hadoop admins. Okay, so everyone will be doing their work. Yes or no? Are any questions? Are any questions, guys? Please let me know. Okay. So now, what we need to do now? So now, think that okay, we need 5 servers. These are the 6 servers okay, we need. Okay. So, but okay, we don't have manager or we don't have procurement team or we are not contacting vendors and all. Okay, this is for practice purpose, right? Okay, so for practice purpose, if you want to build a Hadoop cluster, okay, you need 6 servers. In the place of 6 servers, okay, what we will do for practice, okay, for each server, okay, instead of going with server, you will go with okay, virtual machine VM1, VM2, VM3, VM6. Okay, this is what our idea now. Okay, instead of servers, what I will do, I will take small virtual machines. Okay, But again, because now we need to create the virtual machine. How can I create the virtual machine? Okay. So what we need to do first, if you want to create a virtual machine on top of your laptop, okay, you need one software. Okay. So what this software? Okay, so set up your laptop. Okay, to start practicals. First thing. Okay, download VirtualBox software for Windows using below instructions. Okay, so log into this. Okay, click on this link. Okay, click on this link. When you click on this link, okay, you will see. Okay, there is a software. Okay, Oracle VirtualBox software. Okay, so here you click on Windows host. Okay, when you click on Windows host, okay, so click on Windows host. Okay, so click on Windows host to download Oracle VirtualBox software. Oracle VirtualBox software for Windows. For Windows. Okay, so this will download, okay, the exe file in your downloads folder. Double click on the exe file and install Oracle VirtualBox software in your C drive. During installation, if it is showing any dialog box with yes or no, click on yes. So what I will do now, okay, if I want to install Oracle VirtualBox, first I'll open this website. Okay, I'll click on Windows host. So this started downloading. So this started downloading. Okay. Yes. Okay. So now the exe file got downloaded now. Okay. So what I will do now, I will double click on this one. Okay. So I don't know whether you can see my screen or not. Okay. Here it is. It's asking me, do you want to install? Okay. Oracle VirtualBox. I'll click on yes. Okay. So now click on next. Okay, click on. I guess okay. I've already installed. Okay. Latest version. You click on next. That will install Oracle VirtualBox software. Finish. Okay. So now it is asking you must restart your machine. Okay. So do you want? Okay. I will restart later. Okay. So as a first step, what I'm doing? Okay. I'm installing Oracle VirtualBox software. Why Oracle VirtualBox software? Because this is the software which will allow me to create virtual machines on top of my laptop. Okay. So now, okay. So this is done. Open Oracle VirtualBox. Okay. Oracle VM VirtualBox from Windows Start button. Okay. So here, Oracle VirtualBox. Click on this one. Open this one. Okay. When you open this one, okay, you will see. Okay, this is the window you will see, guys. This is the window you will see. Okay. Okay. So open Windows Explorer and select any drive. Okay. And okay. So now open Windows Explorer. Okay. So open Windows Explorer. This is the Windows Explorer. Okay. Select any drive which has more space except C drive. Yes. Okay. Don't choose this one. Okay. So I have more free space, 800 GB free space I have here. I will select this one. Okay. Which has more free space and create a new folder which is this one. Okay. So right click on this one. Okay. So a new folder. Okay. Give the name like VirtualBox VMs. Okay. So I already have this name. Okay. So here VirtualBox VMs. Understand? Okay. This is the directory you created. Okay. Just this just created this one. Okay. In Oracle. So now what you will do? You created this directory. Now go to Oracle VirtualBox. Okay. File preferences. In preferences. Okay. So now here in select general and default machine folder. General default machine folder. You give your Oracle VirtualBox VMs. Okay. So and okay. So here we select file preferences. So here other. Okay. Now you select the Oracle VirtualBox VMs. Whatever the folder you created in the previous step, you select that folder and click on OK. Okay. So open file browser, select the newly created folder from file browser and click on OK. Okay. So this step is done. Okay. So next one. Okay. So click on file host network manager. File host network manager. Okay. Host network manager. So here what you need to do, and make sure all your properties are showing as below. If not, please make necessary changes. Okay. Like this one, whether IP address v4 is it a 192.160.56.1/24 or not? Yes. Okay. DHCP server enable. Yes. Okay. Then configure adapter manually. Okay. So here is it the same or not? 192.160.1 and 225.225.225.0. Okay. So these three things, please check this one, and this one, all these three. Okay, carefully. Okay. If it is not as per the list, okay, so just okay, you can edit here, you can change it here. Understand? But okay, in my case, everything is like this only. So I'm not making any changes. Okay. So with this, okay, what we have done, we set up the Oracle VirtualBox software. Okay. So now using this software, okay, you can create the virtual machines. You can create the virtual machines. Clear? Or any questions till now? Yes, okay, I'm teaching you the practicals now. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know. Any questions till now?
So
Clear,
Venkat, we
right?
can install this in C, but we need to make use of a folder in some other drives where space is more.
Yes. Okay. See, you will install this software in C drive, but okay, you will choose a different drive to launch your VMs. Okay. Okay. As the next thing, okay, what you need to do, download CentOS image. Okay. See, as part of this one, okay, we need to install Linux OS. Yes or no? And okay, we decided to install CentOS, okay, in each and every server. Okay. So we need okay Linux software or not. Download CentOS minimal.iso file from the website. Okay. So click on below website. Okay, this will open. This will open. Okay. So now here you search for this one. Okay. So what is this one? CentOS 7 x86 64 minimal ISO. Okay. So you
Sir, I
download.
didn't get this to my drive mail ID.
Huh?
Sir, I didn't get this one to my mail, sir, actually.
Which one?
That VMware, how to download that.
Okay, so do one thing. Okay, so send me, ping me in WhatsApp. Okay, I will add you after this class. Mostly I added, but okay, still you have not received means okay, I will.
Yes, sir. You have sent all the documents, but this one is missing, sir.
How it will be missing, sir?
Okay, I'll just check it once and I just
Yeah,
call.
you check it once again. I can let me know. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So as a second step, okay, what you need to do? You need to download this ISO file. Okay, this comes like 863 MB. Okay, you download it carefully. Okay. So now, okay, so you downloaded this one and you keep it aside at this moment. Okay, then download putty.exe. Okay, so you better, okay, so download this from below website. Okay, so get okay, all the okay. So here, what you need to do? Okay, let us do one thing. Okay, so the first step of what I can do. Okay, so okay, select a directory, a folder in your laptop which has more free space to store Hadoop softwares and installation files. So in my case, okay, so here, okay, E drive.
Sir, more free space in the sense how much we can able to make it free.
So more free space, at least. Okay, so you make sure that we have nearly 400 GB. Okay. Select a folder instead of folder. Okay, so what I can select a drive. Okay, on your laptop. Okay, which has more free space to store Hadoop softwares and an installation file. In my case, it is E drive. Okay, E drive. Create a folder. First thing. Okay. Create a folder. Hadoop administration. Okay, so create a folder Hadoop administration. Okay, understand. Create a folder Hadoop administration. Stuff one. Okay, create a folder Hadoop administration. Stuff one. Okay, so next thing. Okay, create a folder Hadoop administration. Stuff one. Okay, then okay, stuff one. Stuff one. Okay, so second thing. Okay, download VirtualBox software for Windows using Boolean instructions. Okay, you downloaded. Okay, so click on Windows source. Okay, so copy or move the exe file to so create a directory Hadoop administration of one. So what I'm doing, I will go to E drive. Here I'm creating a new folder Hadoop administration of one. Okay, insert this one. So download VirtualBox software. Then once it is downloaded, bring this software to stuff one. Stuff one. Okay, so this is okay. So here, okay, move the exe file to folder. Double click on the exe file. Okay, so this is installed now. Okay, so the next one, this is done. Okay, so next step, okay, download CentOS minimal ISO from this one. Okay, so this will download. This will download. Okay, ISO file in your downloads folder. So copy or move the exe file to the folder. Okay, so here, so it will download okay exe file. It will download exe file like this. So copy or okay, copy this to exe file to here. You copied here. Okay, you have VirtualBox software. You have ISO file. Okay, both. Okay, then folder. Okay, then okay, download putty.exe. Okay, so go to this location. This is the third step. Go to this location. Okay, and go for download putty. Okay, this is the download putty. Okay, so you can try it. You can download putty here. Click on this one. Okay, so now, okay, so okay, here click on putty.exe to download to your downloads folder. Putty.exe. Okay. Again, when I say putty, there are many things actually. Okay. So putty.exe, this is the file. Okay. But here, what I need to do? Okay. I need to download 64-bit x86. 64-bit x86. This is the one. Okay. I need to download this one. Okay. So download this one. Okay. So this will download putty.exe into your download folder. Correct. Okay. So now copy or move. Copy or move the exe file. Move the putty.exe file. Move the ISO file. After move the putty.exe file to Hadoop Advanced Stuff 1. Okay, so now from downloads, you move this one to Stuff 1 directory. Okay, so now putty also came here. It means you are trying to collect all the softwares required to run Hadoop, to install Hadoop into one directory. Okay, so that download putty.exe. Just click on this link. Okay, so now putty no installation portable. Okay, so you download this one. You select putty no installation portable. You download this one. Okay, download putty portable version from our website. Download now. Okay, so it has downloaded mputty.exe. Okay, so this will create. Okay, so once downloaded, please copy. Okay, so once downloaded, okay, copy or move. Okay, copy or move the move the empty putty.exe file to Hadoop Administrator stuff. Okay, so now this empty putty software.exe to moving to here. Hadoop. Okay, so it's okay. So I'm trying. I downloaded putty and I copied. I moved here. Okay, I downloaded putty. I put it here. Okay, I downloaded CentOS ISO. I downloaded a virtual box. Okay. Okay. So then, okay. So what you configure empty putty? How to configure empty putty? Double click on the empty putty. Double click on empty putty and open it. Okay. So when you open it, okay, you will not see all these things, guys. You will not see all these things. Okay. So you will see a window like this. Okay. So what you need to do? So go to tools putty location. Go to tools putty location. Okay. So what you need to do? You need to select.
Like initially, what screen will come? That part I missed for VM. We need to select something because I installed, but for VM initially just after installation we'll get some keys kind of thing. Yes, we need to do something there.
Okay. See, just keys and all cannot record at this moment. Just download as it is. Okay. I'm not performing any extra steps actually. So here, what I'm doing, okay. So here I'm selecting the tools putty location. Here, okay, I'm going to select, okay. Okay, so E drive, Hadoop Administrator stuff 1 and putty.exe. Okay, understood. And click on OK. And click on OK. Okay. So here, click on browser button and select putty.exe from Hadoop Administration stuff 1 folder. From
Okay, I got it.
and click on OK. Here. So what is putty? What is empty putty? Okay, what is ISO file, CentOS ISO file, all those things I'll explain in some time, guys. First, okay, I'm preparing your laptop for the installation, okay, initial installation. Okay, so now okay, next step, okay, download. Okay, so here download and setup here what it is step, okay, download and
Sir, if we don't have disk space of more than 400 GB or equal to 400 GB, is there any issues in that?
Okay, I will. If that's the case, I will change it here. At least you should have 400 GB in one disk, sir. Better to get. Okay. Okay. So I'll put 300 GB. Is it fine now? Huh? But okay, less than 300 GB is very difficult, sir. I told you, okay, 500 GB is minimum required. Okay.
Sir, my total disk space is 500 GB. So
that's what I told, sir. Okay. So 500 GB. Okay. Again, okay. After OS, how much is left out now?
sir, I have to check.
Yeah, please check once. Okay. Select any run which has more free space to store Hadoop softwares and installation files. Okay. So in my case, it is E drive. Okay. My laptop. Okay. So create a folder Hadoop administration stuff. Okay.
So except C drive, sir.
Except C drive, sir. Okay. Okay. So download and set up software to start practicals on your laptop. Okay. So these are the prerequisite software. Software to start practicals. Okay. So to start your practicals, you need Oracle VirtualBox software for Windows. You already downloaded and configured. Okay. Download and configure.
Hey Venkat, sorry to ask this question. ఇది సిలో ఒకవేళ మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం మనకు తెలిస్తే సిలో చేయడానికి ప్రాబ్లం ఉందా ఏమన్నా?
Yes, okay. There's a problem in doing this in C drive, sir. Okay. So normally, okay, so when you create a virtual machine here, okay, when you create a virtual machine here, so here if I create a new virtual machine, that will go and sit inside the C drive. Okay. So when you create more and more virtual machines, okay, at one fine day, your entire C drive may become full. Okay, which may cause like a performance issues on your laptop, or okay, your system may not boot also. That is the reason better not to use C drive. Clear?
ఓకే ఓకే. ఇంకొకటి ఇది మనకి సెక్యూరిటీ లాంటి ఇష్యూస్ ఏమి ఉండవు కదా, ఆఫీస్ ల్యాప్టాప్ లో చేసుకోవచ్చా?
If office people are allowing you to install all these softwares, yes, you can do in office laptop also.
ఓకే ఓకే, థాంక్స్.
Yeah. So now, so far what we have done, okay, we downloaded, okay, VirtualBox software, okay. So then configured also, okay. So okay, done. Okay, then we downloaded the CentOS ISO image. This will download to Windows downloads folder, but copy or move ISO file to Hadoop stuff one. Okay, so to equal// Hadoop. Okay, so this one Hadoop stuff one folder. Okay, so after that, okay, download putty.exe. Again, copy this to Hadoop stuff one. Okay, download empty putty. Okay, again copy this to E folder Hadoop stuff one folder. Okay, now click on empty putty and putty location. Okay, see, then click on this one. Then from Hadoop stuff one folder and click on OK. Okay, so till this, all the steps are completed. Okay, now the next step is download WinSCP. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to click on this one. Okay, so when you click on this one, okay, so it will ask you, okay, so to download actually. Okay, so here, okay, here you can see download WinSCP 5.19.6. This is the one which you need to click. Okay, when you click on this one, what it will do, okay, it will say, yeah, it started. Okay, show all here. Okay, it started, it downloaded. Okay, so now download WinSCP latest version from my bowling. Double click on the, okay, so now, okay, so here, copy or move, copy or move the empty, okay, move the the WinSCP.exe file. CP.
Venkat, we can download any version, like, because now it is coming as 519.6.
You can download the latest version. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. WinSCP.exe file to the Hadoop stuff one folder. Okay. So now, so what you need to do? So you copy or move to this directory. Yes. Okay. So now WinSCP setup here. Okay. Now what you need to do? Okay. So double click on the downloaded exe file and install in your machine. Okay. So here, double click on this one. Click on yes. Click on accept. Full upgrade. Okay. So install. That's it. Like a normal software. Okay. Like normal software. Okay. You install WinSCP here. Okay. Yes. So WinSCP is a tool to copy files from Windows machine to Linux and vice versa. Okay. So okay. So okay, I've done small introduction about each tool, so that's fine. Okay, so here, Oracle Virtual Box. Okay. Okay. So we did all the prerequisites. Okay, so we downloaded Oracle Virtual Box, we installed. Okay. We downloaded WinSCP and we installed. Okay, we downloaded MT putty, configured, we downloaded putty. Okay, so we did all these things, guys. We did all these things. Okay, but okay, I will do one thing. Okay, so download this ISO image. I'll put it like a third step, last step. Otherwise, download WinSCP. Okay, and download Windows ISO image. Yes, and this is the last step I'll put it. Okay, so fine. Okay, so now the prerequisites are downloaded successfully. The prerequisites are downloaded successfully. Okay, so download is set to as okay, downloaded and configured also. Okay, downloaded and configured also successfully. Okay, now creating our first virtual machine. Okay, so how to get a first virtual machine? Okay, so first, okay, open Oracle VMworks from Windows Start button. Okay, so Windows Start button. Okay, so here you have Oracle Virtual VMworks. Open this. Okay, so this is the Oracle Virtual Box VM. Click on Group Machine. Click on Group. There is no group machine. Click on Machine. Okay, and New. Click on Machine. Okay, New. Machine, New. Okay, or press Control N. Okay, anything you can do. Okay, so Machine, New. Okay, now it is asking, provide the name you wanted to give to your VM. Okay, so what is the name you want to give? Okay, so shall I give like, okay, test VM? You can give any name. Okay, or I'll give like base VM. Okay, so okay, Venkata VM. Okay, anything. Okay, actually. Okay, okay, you can say like, okay, first VM. Okay, so you can give anything actually. Okay, understand it. You can give any name. Okay, so this is the base VM. Okay, this is the name I'm giving. Okay, so don't select anything machine folder. Okay, you leave it. Okay, select type as Linux here. Linux. Okay, again. Okay, so again, select version as Red Hat 64-bit. Red Hat 64-bit. Okay, where is Red Hat? Red Hat 64-bit. Okay, so here guys, okay, if you don't see Red Hat 64-bit option in your drop-down list, okay, some people they'll see only, okay, if you see here Red Hat, okay, Red Hat 3264, open source 3264, okay, but some people, okay, will see only Red Hat 32, okay, open source 32, okay, they will not say 64-bit, okay. It means you are not seeing Red Hat 64-bit in this drop-down means, okay, you will have to enable virtual technology option from your system BIOS settings. Okay, so you need to enable virtual technology option from your system BIOS settings. This is specific to laptop model. Okay, so this is not common for all. Okay, I cannot give you a common instructions for all actually. Okay, so please check in YouTube. Okay, so please check in YouTube with your laptop model for more help on this one. Okay, if you're still facing an issue, please contact Venkata if you still need any further help. Understand? Okay, so what you need to do, there is an option in your BIOS settings called enable VT technology. Okay, okay, you check YouTube's like, okay, enable VT technology and give your laptop model. Okay, so they will show you the videos actually. Okay, based on that video, you make the changes. Understand? Okay, if you are still facing an issue, please get back to me. Okay, I'm happy to help you on that part. Okay, and second thing, okay, so click, okay, once it is done, click on next. Machine, new machine. Okay, so here, okay, base VM, okay, Linux, Red Hat 64-bit. Then click on next. Okay, now it is asking, it is telling that, hey, you have 65 GB RAM or 64 GB RAM. How much RAM you want to give to this virtual machine? Okay, so I want to give. Okay, so here memory size is 2048 MB. Okay, 2048 MB. I'll give 2048 MB. It means, okay, what is the memory I'm giving to this virtual machine? 2 GB. Yes, sir, 2048 MB means 2 GB. Okay, so the 2 GB. Okay, if you have 16 GB RAM, you can go for 2 GB, 2048 MB RAM. Okay, if you have 20 GB RAM, you can go for bigger memory like 2560 MB. If you have 624 GB RAM, you can go for 3070 MB. If you have 32 GB RAM, 5120, and if you have 64 GB RAM, you can go for this one. Okay, so now I'm going to create a VM, okay, with 10 GB size, 10 GB of memory, RAM, 10 GB RAM. Next. Okay. So click on next, okay, and create a virtual hard disk now. Create a virtual hard disk now. Click on create. Okay. Select VDI and click next. Select VDI, click on next. Okay. Select dynamically allocated option. Next. Okay. So now select 100 GB to place 8 in the place of 8 GB. Okay, make it 100 GB and click on create. It means okay, what is this 100 GB meaning, guys? What is this 100 GB meaning?
Size of hard disk.
So size of the hard disk. Okay, so now okay, we are creating a okay, one machine. Okay, so we are creating a machine, okay, with what sizes actually? Okay, 10 GB RAM 10 GB, RAM 10 GB, okay, disk, okay, disk 100 GB, okay, but okay, processor, did we give any processor? Okay, so here, okay, so we have not given any processor. By default, it will take one by default. Okay. But if you want to change, you can change it. Okay, we will see how to change it actually. Okay, so our network also automatically come like okay. So this is the network. Okay. This is the virtual machine which we created just now. It's 10 GB RAM. Okay, it means okay, on top of my laptop, 64 GB laptop. Okay, I created a virtual machine. Okay, of 10 GB, 100 GB disk, and okay, one processor, one core, and okay, 1000 MB per second. Network bandwidth. Okay, so now this will create a okay, so here okay, example slave. Okay, so here okay, I give like base machine, right? Okay, base VM. Okay, so here okay, so this will create a virtual machine in the left hand side of your okay Oracle VirtualBox Manager.
Sir,
Okay.
net speed should be 100 Mbps only, or less than that is work.
Yeah, not a problem. So it will take by default 1000 Mbps. Okay, it will share sir network, not a problem. Okay. Okay, so now okay, this is what it is created. It is what is it is created. So this is 1000 MB is maximum, sir. Understand the maximum. This is the one. If no other VMs are working, okay, then it can take up to 1000 MB per second. That is the what. That is the meaning here. Okay. So now what is the next step here? Okay. So now right click on the. So this will create a okay virtual machine. Okay. So here this will create a virtual machine. Virtual one. This is the virtual machine. Okay. Right click on this one. Click on settings. That is what I'm telling here. Right click on your VM and select settings system. Select settings and click on system. Okay. Then okay, select system pointing device as USB tablet. Under system pointing device as USB tablet. Okay. Then system processor. System. Okay. System motherboard pointing. Okay. System motherboard. System motherboard pointing device as USB tablet. Okay. Then system okay. Processor system processor and processors. System process and set number of process and click on OK. Okay. If you have only 4 CPUs, if you see only how many CPUs here, how many CPUs you are seeing here? 16 CPUs. Okay. If you see only 4 CPUs, okay, you can go for 1 here. Okay. And if you have 12 CPUs, you can go here. If you have 16 CPUs, you can go here 3. It means okay. So now I am changing the processor settings. Okay, now I made it like 3 processors. Okay, 10 GB RAM, 3 processors. I customize this one. Okay, I made it like so one, but okay, I made it like 3 processors now, 3 cores. Okay, now I have virtual machine, 10 GB RAM, 100 GB disk, 3 processors, and 1000 MB per second maximum network. This is the 1000 MB per second maximum network. Understand? Okay. So now, okay, right click on your VM and select settings storage. Right click on VM settings and select storage. Okay. So now, okay, right click on controller SATA. Okay, where you see controller SATA here. Okay, controller SATA. Okay, and select hard disk. Select hard disk. So here, right click on this one, right, control SATA. Select hard disk here. Okay. So click on create. Click on create. Okay. Select VDI. Then click on next. Select dynamically allocated. Then select enter size of 100 GB here. Click on create. Click on choose. That's it. Okay. Understand, guys? Click on choose. Okay. So what I've done here, guys, this is the first step. Okay. Like this, okay, it is the same step. Okay, I'm performing 3 times. I'm performing. Right click on SATA, hard disk, create, VDI, dynamically allocated, 100 GB. Click on create. Okay. Choose. Again, right click on this one, hard disk, create, VDI, dynamically allocated, 100 GB, create, choose. Don't touch anything here, guys. Click on choose. Okay. So now what I've done here, guys, I have a server. Okay. So here, if you see here, I have disk. I've taken only disk one with 100 GB. Okay. So I have RAM 10 GB processors. Okay. This is network. Network. Okay. And the next one is I've added the first disk. Okay, initially 100 GB. Okay, but now the question is that okay, do you think real-time servers will have only one disk or multiple disks?
Multiple disk.
Okay, have you ever seen real-time servers, guys? Have you ever seen real-time
Yes,
server? Huh?
yes, sir.
One second, one second. Yeah, sorry, guys. Okay, so you created. Okay, you selected only one disk. Okay. Normally, if you take our laptops and all, okay, you will have only one hard disk on the motherboard. Okay, but nowadays, okay, some of the advanced laptops are coming with two hard disks on the motherboard. But okay, when you say real-time servers and all, okay, will they come with? I don't know how many of you seen this real-time servers and all. Okay, if not, I will show you one real-time server. Okay, so So what is this, guys? What is this? Huh?
Processor.
Processor. Okay. Then what is this?
This is
Motherboard.
CPU.
Motherboard.
Motherboard. Okay. So this is inside your server, actually, inside your server. Okay. Now, okay, on this server, where is the motherboard? Where is the laptop? Sorry, shit. Where is processor in this motherboard? Where is the processor?
It is in the middle one. Separated.
Can you see this one? There is some Renault symbol you are saying, right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So under this is a cooling point. Okay. Under this one, okay, you will have the processor. This is the processor. Okay. Now the question is where you will insert RAM.
Sir, slots are there, right? Black slots.
The
These
black
are
one. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Like this, there are many slots, right? So here 4, 8, 8, again 4, again 4, 4. How many are there total? 4 plus 8, 12, 8, 20, 24, 28, 32. How many slots we have? 32 slots we have, guys. This is the black ones. Okay. All these 32 slots are RAM slots. Okay. So now, okay, we say that, okay, we have 128 GB RAM. 128 GB RAM. Okay. Does that mean that 128 GB single chip or okay? So can I go with the 8 RAM chips of size 16 GB each? Can be the case. This 8 RAM.
Yes, sir. Maybe.
Right. Okay. So now 128 GB RAM doesn't mean that, okay, you have a single chip to insert here. Okay. Here I may be using 8 slots. Okay. In each slot I'm putting 16, 16, 16, 16. So all together it is becoming 128 GB. Okay. Understand, guys? Okay. So tomorrow, okay, if my RAM is not sufficient, what I will do? I'll remove one. Okay. I will add, okay, some more chips here. Okay. So some more RAM chips here. Okay. Suppose, okay, if RAM slots are already full, then okay, I may remove, okay, old RAM and I may insert new chip, okay, with more GB. Understood? Okay. So it means, okay, when you say that we have 1 TB RAM or okay, 512 GB RAM or 256 GB RAM, don't think that, okay, 256 GB RAM is a single slot, single chip. Even it is the same case, okay, in your laptop also, right? You have 16 GB RAM. Does it mean, okay, 16 GB one chip or, okay, 8 GBs? It may be 2 8 GBs, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Okay. So it's the case actually. This is the RAM slots. These are the RAM slots, guys. Okay. But this is inside your server. Okay. Now let us see. Okay. Outside the server or behind the server, backside of the server. Okay. If you see the backside of the server, okay. What are these, guys? What are these boxes?
Disks, sir. Disks.
Okay. So this is the place where you will insert, okay, one hard disk. Okay. So now the question is that, okay, one server can manage how many disks? Okay. When I say server here, okay, server. So one server can manage, so disk 1 to disk 26. Why only 26 disks, guys? And each disk will be named like, what is the name of each disk? SDA, storage device A, SDB, SDC, SDD, SDE, SDF, SDG, SDH. Like this. Okay. What is the last one? SD. Understood, guys? Okay. Each server has the capability of 26 disk. Okay. But okay, will you use all the 26 disk? Okay. Suppose, okay, now what in case, okay, so like this, okay, you have multiple slots. Okay. Now, okay, what is the disk one? Okay, when in the disk one slot, okay, you insert a 2 TB. 2 TB. Okay. So okay. V per slot. Okay, so you inserted 2 TB here. Okay. Okay. In disk 2, you inserted, okay. Is there any rule that okay, you should insert okay 2 TB here also in disk 2 also? You can insert okay 2 TB or you can insert more than that also. Okay. In disk 3, I inserted okay 4 TB. Okay. In disk 4, I inserted 5 TB. Disk 6, I inserted 10 TB. Disk 7, I inserted 10 TB. Okay. So now overall storage, okay, overall server storage equal to this much. What's the overall storage now? So when I say overall storage 33 DB, doesn't mean that it is a single hard disk. Got my point, guys? It's a
Yes, sir.
single hard disk. Overall TB, overall storage 33 TB doesn't mean that it's a single hard disk. Okay, and it is up to you guys how many disks you use here. You may use, some people will use all the disk, some people will use only few disks actually. Okay, suppose okay, if I use disk till 16, okay, what is the total storage in one server? Huh? 133 TB. Okay, so this is how they decide. Okay, so when I say one server, you will not have single disk actually. So, but normally laptops, okay, you will have only one. See, I'm talking about okay I'm talking about the hard disk, okay, where you can connect on your motherboard, not on the external external hard disk actually. Okay, it is like okay the hard disk which you connect to your motherboard or on your motherboard. Okay, understood. So this is how they decide. Okay, actually. Okay, but now okay, so here what people will do here. Okay, but okay, what people will do? People will install OS here, Linux OS here. This disk, what the disk? Okay, in disk, okay, they'll be okay. Other disk they'll be using for other purpose. Okay, normally your OS will be installed on the first hard disk. Understand? The rest of the disk, okay, can be used for other purpose. But okay, see, if I take the okay, this is the Linux server, guys. Okay, what in case Windows server? Windows server. So in Windows servers also you can put 26 disk. But okay, what is the naming convention here in Windows disk? Okay, in Windows, okay, so it will be like A drive, okay, B drive, C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive, okay, okay, F, B, H drive, okay. Like this, okay, you will have. Okay, but now the question is that okay, where your OS will be installed? What is this disk A? Disk 1. This one is for, this is for floppy.
OS will be in C, right, sir?
Floppy disk. Okay, yes, sir. Okay, this is also for floppy disk. This is the OS disk. Where you will install Windows? On the C drive. Yes or no? On the C drive, you will install Windows. Okay. Okay. So normally you may not put anything. So later you can make it like this. Understood, guys? Okay. So this is how. Okay. So in Windows, okay, the driving letter is different. Okay, drive letters are different. Okay. So it will start with C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive, G drive, H drive, and all. But in case of Linux, it will be like ST, STB, STC. Okay. So here, okay, where you can where you will install okay, Linux. In case of Linux server, you will be installing Linux OS on the first disk. Okay, but in case of Windows server, you will be installing okay Windows on C drive.
Yes.
Okay, third disk. Understand? Okay. So any questions here, guys? Normally, nobody will be using floppy drives nowadays. Who will be using floppy drives? No floppy drives in the world. Okay. So
This
this is
partitioning
can
we
we-
will do while installing Linux or Windows only. Yes.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
So when we install Linux, automatically these disks will come
Yes.
and
Okay.
then
So now, okay, you see, it is not like when you install like Linux and all this. Okay. Now, if you see our virtual machine, you come back to this virtual machine. Okay. So how many drives have created here? 100 GB. First hard disk. Okay. This is the second hard disk. Okay. This is disk 1. Okay. So now disk 2 also. Okay. Disk 2 of 100 GB. Disk 3 of 100 GB. Disk 4 of 100 GB. Understood, sir? How many hard disk I created? Now, if we click on OK, now it is showing that, okay, so there are total 4 hard disks attached to this one. This is the first hard disk, second hard disk, third hard disk, fourth hard disk. Understand?
yeah, got it.
Got it, right? So, why I'm attaching multiple hard disks here is because, okay, to get you the real-time feeling actually. I go with only one hard disk. Okay, I install Hadoop and I install OS everything in one hard disk. Okay, then okay, if you go and see in real time, you may see little bit different. That is the reason what I'm doing. So I am creating a virtual machine with 10 GB RAM, 3 cores. Okay, this mesh network and 4 hard disk of size 100 GB each. But in real time, you will have multiple hard disks. Okay, of different sizes, 10 TB each in TBs. Okay, here I'm giving in GBs, but there it is TBs and all in real time. Are you clear? Are any questions?
Sir, it should be what is installed in first disk only, SDA only.
SDA only. OS should be installed
It is by default, sir.
by default. Yes, sir. Okay. So far, this is the configuration of my virtual machine. Yes, 10 GB RAM, 3 processors, 4 hard disks. Okay, each hard disk size is 100 GB, 100 GB. And okay, I have given one network adapter of 1000 MB per second max. Okay, but now let us go here. Okay, right click on your VM, choose settings, network adapter 1. Right click on this one, settings. Okay, network adapter 1. Okay, so select attach to NAT. Okay, by default it is NAT. By default it is NAT. Then click on adapter 2. Adapter 2. Adapter 2. Okay. And select enable network adapter. Okay. So here select attach it to as virtual network adapter and virtual adapter. Okay. Okay. Select attach to as adapter and name as virtual adapter and click on OK. Okay. So Attached to host adapter. Okay, name VirtualBox host adapter and click on OK. Okay, click on OK. That's it. Okay. Now what we have done, okay, what we have done okay, in this previous step is, what is adapter, guys? What is an adapter normally? Sir, okay, you take your laptop, okay. How many LAN cables you can connect to your laptop? LAN cable. Okay. So here, okay. Do you understand what is LAN port?
Only one, sir.
Yes, sir. We can connect only one LAN cable.
Okay. So you might have seen this kind of, I mean, behind your laptop, okay. Okay, to your laptop, okay, you might have seen this thing, right? Huh?
Yes, sir.
You might have seen this one. Okay, this is the LAN port actually. Okay, so how many LAN ports you can connect to? I mean, you will have on your laptop.
One.
Only one. Okay, but okay, in real-time servers, is it also only one? Or okay, you will have multiple LAN.
Multiple, sir.
Yeah. So in real-time, okay, in real-time servers, will have okay multiple LAN adapters. Okay. So here you will have adapter 1, adapter 2, adapter 3, adapter 4. Understood? Okay. So you will have multiple adapters, guys. Network adapters. So by default, okay, the high-end servers will have total 4 adapters. Okay. Now, okay, it is up to you how many adapters you want to enable. Understand? It's up to you how many adapters you want to enable. Okay. So here, at least in real time, they'll enable at least to get 2 adapters. At least they'll enable minimum 2 adapters. Okay. When adapter is enabled, okay, so you will have each adapter will have one address. So each adapter will have one IP address. Understood, guys? Okay. So each enabled adapter will have separate IP address. It means okay, this machine now, if you see here, I enable 2 adapters, adapter 1 and adapter 2. Okay. So now, if I open this machine, how many IP addresses I will have?
2, sir.
Huh?
2
IP addresses. Okay. So can I connect to this machine using any IP address? Yes, you can connect to this machine using any IP address. No problem at all. No problem at all. Okay, you can connect to this server using any IP address. Okay, understood, guys? So in real time also, at least for Hadoop servers, it will have minimum of 2 adapters enabled. In some companies, okay, I've seen okay, they enable 3 adapters also. In some companies, 4 adapters also. But okay, so minimum 2 adapters. The reason here is that okay, if one adapter is not working also, you can connect to the system using other adapter. That is the intention here. Got it? Any question? Got it or any questions, guys? So here also we will be using 2 adapters. Okay. Now after completion
So
of this,
we can connect with this server by using 2 different IPs.
IP addresses, sir.
That's what it means.
Yes.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. Okay. So now, okay, your virtual machine is ready with 1 core. How many cores? 1 core. Okay. But in my scenario, it is not 1 core. In my scenario, it is 3 cores. Okay. In my scenario, I have 3 cores, 10 GB RAM, okay, and 400 GB hard disk, and 2 networks. It means okay, now this is my virtual machine configuration. I have 10 GB RAM in my virtual machine. So and I have 3 core processors and okay, 4 hard disks and okay, and 2 network adapters. But end of the day, okay, all these are taken from where? My main laptop. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, end of the day. So yesterday I explained, right? Okay, guys. Okay, see here. Okay, so you have a laptop here. Okay, so let's say this is my laptop. Okay, how much resource? Okay, so when this is my laptop capacity. So after starting OS, okay, these are the resources used by OS. Okay, now these are the free resources. Okay, now from these free resources, okay, see here from these free resources, what I have done? What I have done? So I have taken these are the free resources. Okay, from these free resources, I have taken 10 GB RAM. Is it fine? I have 15 cores free. I've taken 3 cores. Okay. I have 1600 GB RAM. I've taken 400 GB. Okay. I have 1000 MB per second speed. Okay. But anyway, since it is internal to the system, okay, you will not use 1000 MB per second. Okay. Anyway, so I told, okay, go for max of 1000. Doesn't mean that, okay, it will use, okay, 1000 and 1000. If both are working, they may share like 500, 500. If 4 are working, okay, they may share like, okay, 250, 250, 250. That's the maximum. Okay. So, but however, okay, so from the available resources, okay, I have created one virtual machine. Clear, guys? Clear? Or any question?
Can we have only one disk for our practice?
Sorry?
Can we have only one disk for practice instead of 4?
No, no. Okay, you take 4 disks, sir. Okay, because okay, when you are practicing, let us practice like a real time. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you take 4, sir. Okay. 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 Now you may think that okay, sir, okay, I have taken one VM, okay, and I have size 100 GB each. Okay. 100 GB each. Okay. Now here, okay, you remember, okay, we used one option, guys, dynamically allocated. Yes or no? What do you mean of that dynamically allocated? So I said, okay.
Runtime, I think.
Sorry?
Allocating during runtime.
I'm telling that, okay, I said, okay, disk 1 equal to 100 GB. Doesn't mean that, okay, it will take completely 100 GB. Okay. So when you start inserting the data, it will go up to 100 GB. Understood, sir? Or no? Okay. So let us take the scenario. Okay, let's say this is my hard disk, sir. This is my not hard disk. Okay, so I will say this is my E drive because okay, this is E drive only I have selected, right? This is my E drive. This is my E drive. Okay, so what is the capacity of my E drive? Okay, so here I have around, okay, let's say 800 GB RAM, 800 GB disk is free. Okay, now, okay, I created disk 1. Okay, so I created disk 1. Okay, okay, I created VM1. Okay, okay, VM1 will use, okay, disk from where? From E drive. Okay, from this 800 GB initially, okay, what it will do? So it will create, okay, VM. This is VM1. This is VM1. VM1. This is disk 1. Okay, so this is disk 1. Okay, the same way you will have disk 2 also from the same 800 GB. Okay, you will have disk 3 also from the same 800 GB. Okay, you will have disk 4 also from the same 800 GB. Understand, sir? Okay, so it is taking the storage from here. Okay, disk 1, disk 2. This is disk 3. This is disk 4. Okay, so end of the day, okay, each disk is taking the storage from your E drive. Okay, E drive. Okay, but okay, initially, so what we said, okay, dynamically allocate. Okay, now if you see here, okay, if you see here, even though I told, okay, it is storage, even though I told 100 GB, what is the current actual size now? Current size?
2 GB. 2 MB.
2 MB.
So each disk will start with, initially, they will occupy 2 MB space. 2 MB space. Initially, when you create a disk, okay, it is like, okay, 2 MB. Okay, the more and more data you put, okay, the more and more data you put, okay, this disk can grow like this actually. Understood? But okay, to the max of 100 GB. Clear?
Yes.
Initially, when you create a disk, okay, don't think that okay, on the first time itself it will take all 100 GB. Okay, in that case, okay, you cannot create, okay, if you have only 300 GB hard disk, can you create 400 GB disks? No. Okay, initially what it will do when you create a disk, it will take only 2 MB data, 2 MB space on your hard disk. Understood? It will take only 2 MB space on your hard disk. Okay, but the more and more you insert inside the disk, okay, then the size will be keep on growing. Okay, keep on growing till what? The maximum of 100 GB.
100 GB.
Okay, so the more you fill in this disk, the more it will be filled. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The more, okay, so now, okay, see, if I create disk 1, disk 2, disk 3, disk 4, okay, newly, okay, so how much space, okay, each disk will occupy on this one? This will occupy 2 MB. 2 MB. Okay, this will occupy 2 MB. Okay, 2 MB, 2 MB. So total, okay, here we have, okay,
8
total,
MB.
okay, equal to total size on original hard disk is sum of these things. Will you agree with me? How much MB? How much MB?
8 MB, sir.
8 MB. Even though you create 400 GB hard disk, it is 800 MB. Okay, but okay, suddenly you loaded, okay, 10 MB data here. Now it is 2 MB. Okay, so now you loaded 10 MB, extra 10 MB. Okay, then what will happen? Total 18 MB. Okay, you added 100 MB extra. Okay, like, okay, it will become 112. So overall occupied space is a 118 MB here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, end of the day, when you create a disk, okay, the disk will use the storage from your hard disk only. So the disk will not be a separate hard disk.
Sir, here each
Hmm.
disk will be act like a VM server one, right?
Each disk will act like, okay, one disk in a server. Sir, okay, so I will show you one thing, sir. Okay, so here, so this is my, okay, processor. Okay, okay.
In real time, Venkat, the thing which we did until now, that we will get server directly with the disks, everything done. We
Yes, sir.
need to
Yes,
work on yeah. The thing
exactly.
which we will do now, we will do. Yes, the next.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, yes. Okay. Sir, this is your, I say this is your laptop, sir. Huh?
Yes, sir.
So this is your laptop. This is your laptop. Sorry?
No, sir, no, sir. Nothing.
This is your laptop, sir. Okay. So this is your main laptop. Main laptop. Okay. So now, okay, you are creating a virtual machine here. This is the virtual machine which you are creating. Okay. So this virtual machine will take, okay, so 10 GB you have created. Okay. So here 3 cores. Okay. And hard disk is like we have given 400 GB. Okay. Network. Okay. So what, okay, this VM will do. So the VM will take all the resources from your base laptop. Understood? Okay. Understood, sir. The VM will
Yeah,
take
yes, sir.
from. So this is the virtual machine. Correct. Okay. Virtual machine. Okay. So now, okay. So now this is the virtual machine. Okay, which will be. Okay, this is the virtual machine. This is the main laptop. Okay. So now from the existing RAM, it will take 10 GB. From the existing cores, it will take 3 cores. From the existing hard disk, it will take 400 GB. Okay. From the existing network, it will take 1000 MB per second. RCS, let's say I will put 100 MB per second. Okay. You understood till now, guys? Okay. Now suddenly, okay. So all these resources are, okay, are used, okay, when your virtual machine is switched on state. Okay. Now, if your virtual machine is shut down, okay, what will happen is, if your virtual machine is stopped, okay, your virtual machine will use the RAM from here.
No, sir.
No. Okay.
Everything will be free.
Yeah. Will cores be used?
Laptop
here?
is free. Yeah.
Will cores be
Except
used
hard
here?
disk.
Huh?
Except
cores
hard
be
disk,
used
all
here?
will. Yes, sir.
Okay. And network also. Okay. If virtual machine is done, network will be free here. Okay. But what about hard disk? If you
It's
stop
not
virtual
free.
machine, okay, will hard disk also release the space?
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Okay. Except this one. Okay. Why except this one? Why there's exception for hard disk? Because, okay, so you can switch on the virtual machine and you can switch off the virtual machine. Okay. So now you switch off your virtual machine and you want to start your virtual machine again. It means, okay, you should have that virtual machine files, right? So it means, okay, if you shut down your virtual machine, RAM will be, okay, released. Cores will be released. Network will be released, but a hard disk will not be released. Okay. So now I created a virtual machine. Okay. In which path I created virtual machine, guys? So here, what is the path here?
E drive.
The path. Okay. Now I will go to E drive. I'll go to E drive, VirtualBox VMs, base VM. Okay. This is the one which we created. And you see here, how many files are created? These are that VM related files. Okay. Now what is the size of this VM related files? Okay. What is the size altogether? How much it is?
8 MB, sir.
Altogether, okay, so this is a empty machine, empty VM which you created. Okay, empty VM, okay, it is taking total 8 MB space. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 8 MB space it is taking. That's it. Okay, empty machine. Okay, so even, okay, if I okay, now, okay, now is this virtual machine running state or okay, stopped state?
It's a stop state, sir.
Stop state. Okay, when it is stopped state, okay, is it using my RAM?
No, sir.
Is it using cores?
No.
No.
Is it using, okay, network?
No,
No.
sir. No.
Okay. But
No,
it is
sir.
using that 8 MB space. Yes or no? Hard disk
Yes,
is?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So like that it will work. Okay. So now what I will do, okay. Now this is the server I created, guys. This is the server, okay, we created. Okay. Now tell me, is OS installed here? Is OS installed here?
No.
No.
OS is not installed. Okay. So what to do? Okay, now, okay, we need to install. We need to install OS. Okay, how to install OS now? Okay. So now, okay, install. Okay, so this system is ready. Now, right click on your VM and select settings and storage. So if you want to install OS, what I need to do? I need to select the ISO image. ISO image OS1. So right click settings and click storage. Okay. So here click on empty under controller ID. Click on empty under controller ID. Okay. So now click on CD icon next to optical drive. So here there is something called optical drive. Click on CD icon here. Okay. Choose a disk file. Okay. So what is a disk file? Okay. So you remember, okay, you created few things here. In Hadoop stuff one, okay, you have the CentOS file. You select this CentOS file. Understood?
Okay.
Okay. You select the CentOS file. This is the one I selected. Okay. So click on OK. It means okay. So I have given the OS disk OS what to say OS image path actually. Okay. Now you start this VM. Start normal start. Okay. So when you're starting the VM, okay, now you are starting the VM. Okay, there's something.
Reboot is required, sir.
Looks like reboot is required. Okay, because I installed this one, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, can I reboot and okay, reconnect?
Yeah, okay.
Huh?
Okay, Venkat.
Okay. Can I reboot and okay, I'll reboot and reconnect. Yes, okay. Yeah, wait a second. Yes, I'm back. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Can you see my screen now?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so now I'll open the Oracle Virtual Box. Okay, I'll start the virtual machine. Normal start. Now it will start. Yes, it is starting. Okay, but it is showing very small window, right? What you need to do, just maximize this one. Even if you maximize also, it is showing still small window only. Click on view, click on scaled mode. Now you click on maximize. Now, okay, you can see the full screen. Okay. Now what it is saying, okay, it is giving two options. So one is install CentOS and test this media and install CentOS. Okay, so let us choose the install CentOS only, first option. Okay, and here guys, okay, I've given each and every step. Okay, each and every step.
Venkat, can you push latest this setting up the
Yes, sir, I will
this
push
lab?
it, sir, right now.
Thank you.
Okay, so
Venkat, this document you will share with us?
Okay, I'll be sharing these documents in the Google Drive. Okay, so I hope we all got the access to Google Drive. If anybody has not got access to Google Drive, getting access means, okay, you will receive a mail from okay, VNR trainings. Okay. So VNR trainings, okay, at gmail.com. Okay, you will receive a mail from here. Okay, please check your inbox. Okay, if not, please let me know. I'll give you access. Okay.
I tried Venkat, but I'm not able to proceed further.
You received this mail?
Yeah, I received mail only, but a Zoom link invite.
Not Zoom link, sir. Okay, so okay. So I will add a call of you once again. Okay, I'll send you the meeting invite once again after this class. Okay. Okay. So now, okay, so create a folder. Then create a drive, create a VirtualBox films inside your drive. Okay. 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 So here, okay, we created, select any drive which has more space to store Hadoop software installation. Okay, so here, okay, created. So open start button. Okay. In one VirtualBox, click on file preferences. So here now select general depermission folder, other, select the newly created VirtualBox VMs. Okay, this is fine now. Okay, so all these are fine now. So now let us go to the installation part. Okay, install CentOS 7. Okay, what the next step here? Okay, so next step will be like, okay, select language to support, language support. Okay, so you select English India. Okay, click on continue. Click on continue. Okay, continue. After that, okay, you need to select the installation directory. Okay, so here is something called installation destination. Click on this one. So here it is showing 4 hard disk. Can you see this one? What is the name of each hard disk? SDA, SDB, SDC, SDD. Correct or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now, okay, we need to select the SDA. Click on this one and click on done. Okay, click on done. Okay, after that, okay, so here installation destination, click, okay, select SDA and click on done. Okay, now click on network and host name. Okay, so here, okay, and change the host name to, okay, slave.hadoop.com. Okay, and it is up to you. Okay, so here slave.hadoop.com, slave.hadoop.com. Okay, and after that, okay, what is this one? Make more than 200 on state and click on done button. Okay, so here on, you should click on here, on, and go to the select one, second one, click on. Adapter 1 on, adapter 2 also on. Okay, normally you will forget switching on adapter 2, guys. Please switch on adapter 2 also. Okay, so click on done. Click on done. Okay, click on done. Okay, so done. Okay, now click on done. Okay, then click on begin installation. Yes. Okay, it started installing the OS. Okay, now click on a root password. Okay, so we need to set one. What is root and all? I will talk tomorrow, this, because we don't have time today. So select on root password. Okay, let it install, okay, slowly, and okay, meanwhile you select the root password. So give something, okay, which is easy to remember. Okay, I'm giving welcome 1. So in both the places, okay, you give welcome 1. In both the places, you give welcome 1. Click done. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so you set the root password and okay, installing the Linux. Okay, so it is very fast, guys. Linux. Okay, and again, okay, you are not installing the UI based Linux. This is the CLI based Linux. That is the reason. Okay, this will be very fast. It hardly take 3 to 4 minutes to install. Okay, but in my machine, it is
This OS will be installed in C drive.
Okay, so now is it installed in C drive or in that virtual machine?
Virtual machine.
The virtual machine.
Virtual machine.
So, okay, so where is the virtual machine softwares? I mean, files. Okay.
E drive.
VirtualBox VMs, base VM. Okay. See now you see the size, guys. Earlier, okay, all files together, how much it was earlier?
2 MB, 2 MB.
8 MB.
8 MB, right? Now see what is the size of this one? As and when
It's
it is
growing up.
installing OS, okay. So it is growing. Yes or no? So in which disk, okay, it is installing? In the first disk it is installing. So that is the reason first disk only growing. So this is SDA, SDB, SDC, SDD. Now what is the size of SDA? 1.07 GB. Why 1.07 GB? Because Linux is installed in that disk. Okay. So now it is performing the post installation steps. Okay. So you need to wait until it performs the post installation steps. And don't forget to set the root password, guys. And don't forget the password which you have set also. Got it?
Sir, we set 100 GB for each disk, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Total, how much GB it will take, sir, after practical?
Okay, after installing OS, okay, let me tell you. Okay, after installing OS, okay, how much time it has taken, how much space it has taken overall, I will tell you.
So for whole cluster, how much space we need in that drive? That's what the question is. Yes.
Yeah, that's what, sir. I told, if you have okay around 400 GB, that will be good actually. In single disk. If 300 GB also fine. Okay, not a problem. You can continue. Okay, so done. Okay, OS installation done. Click on reboot. Now OS is done. OS installation is done, guys. You install Linux. Click on enter. Press enter. Yes, okay. Here, okay. If you don't find okay your mouse icon and all here, normally you will find your mouse icon and all here. If you don't find, so just click on right control. You will see your mouse icon. Understood? You'll see your mouse icon. Okay. So now, yes, it is asking for the username and password.
Right control means control and
control. No, just press right control. That's it.
okay, okay.
Okay, it will show you this mouse button. Okay. So now the VM is ready. So your VM is installed with OS. Yes or no? Okay. So we'll continue this one tomorrow. Okay. Now, okay, see what is the status of this VM, guys? Now you see what is the status of this VM. It is in running state. So if it is in running state, then it will use this 10 GB 3 cores. Understand? Now right click on this one, click on close, power off. Then will it use this 10 GB 3 cores? No. Okay. But after shutting down, okay, now if you see the size of the base VM here, okay, this is the base VM file, right? So properties. Okay, now what is the total size it has taken now?
So 1.18 GB.
1.18 GB. Okay, so it means, but I have given total 400 GB, right, for this VM.
Yeah.
Yes,
But
sir.
actual space is used is at this moment 1.18 GB. Okay. Initially it was only 8 MB, but now it reached 1.18 GB because you installed OS inside this one. So
But
OS has
Venkat, when it runs that time, how much it was taking? 10 GB?
when it is running, okay, then it is taking 10 GB RAM.
Okay.
Whatever you
From
give
hard disk perspective, how much it will take that time when it is running?
hard disk perspective. See, this is hard disk perspective only, sir.
Oh, okay, I got it. So you mean to say even if it is running, then also it will take around 2 GB only.
Around 2 GB only. Yes, yes,
That's
yes,
yeah,
yes,
okay.
yes. But if you install anything inside this VM, okay, then okay, the size may grow.
Okay, okay, Venkat.
Got it. Yeah. Okay. So, guys, okay, fine. Okay, so I'll upload this file right now, guys. Right now into this one. What to say?
Right.
Drive. Okay. So. Hadoop admin documents. Okay, you can find these files in the stuff one and okay, installation new. I uploaded. Okay, at the same time, okay. So daily what I'm doing, okay, I'm uploading the explanation document also, guys. At the end of the day, okay, I'm uploading the file upload. Okay, explanation document also. Okay, you can see the explanation document, explanation V31 you can see here. I just uploaded even the explanation document. Every day after the class, I'll be uploading this explanation document.
Sir, for every batch, this drive is different or
No, it is the same drive, sir, for everyone.
Okay, sir.
Drive access is a
Venkat.
lifelong.
Yeah, just general question, Venkat. Like we can go one by one for this drive, or everything we need to download it in one single go. Kind of just take
No.
very like.
It's up to you, sir. Okay, but you go one by one, better.
Okay, got it. Yeah. Thank
Okay, at least okay, for stuff one, okay, download as it is for stuff one.
you. Okay.
As it is, you download. Okay. So when you download, okay, so normally it will come like a zip file. Okay, make sure that okay, it is as per this directory structure and naming structure. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So if anybody has not received the drive link, okay, I will send okay right now once again. If still not received in next 5 minutes, okay, please ping me. Okay.
Okay.
Clear, guys. Yeah.
Yeah, if we find any difficulty, we'll reach out to you tomorrow.
Okay, otherwise, okay, so if you give me a minute, I'll do right now. Okay, so.
Okay.
So whoever has paid the money, okay, for those people, okay, I'm giving you the access actually.
Venkat, I have a question.
Yeah, I've added everyone, guys. Okay, now, okay, please check your inbox. Okay, you will get a mail with drive link. Clear. Any questions?
Yes, Venkat. Venkat, how many maximum nodes this Hadoop cluster supports?
Up to 25,000, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Okay, so we'll see the rest of the things tomorrow.
I didn't receive the link yet, Venkat.
Your name, sir?
Vishwajit.
I'm sharing my screen again. Can you give me your Gmail ID?
B Mohanty. B as Bombay. Yeah. MOHANTY.
It's already there, sir. It's already there in the list.
But I didn't receive yet.
You may receive. You're already in the list. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay, set in your box. Okay. Set VNR training.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you. See you all tomorrow.